So for those of you still having problems with Google apps being rejected or pulled, follow what I'm doing now. I'm going to find one of the apps that we've got that was had an update rejected. So I'm going to click on the app, and on the left dashboard, first thing I'm going to do is go down to App Content and update the data safety over here. You might see in yours, if you haven't done this advertising, I would do the advertising. You have to do that too. We don't do any kind of advertising at all, so you just select no. But coming back down to the data safety, hit the manage button, and we start update the stuff here. So I had already filled this out, but if you have as well, you may have some things checked, but follow my instructions. So yes, 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 no, we haven't, this is no here, hit next. We do location, location, so make sure precise location is selected. Personal info depends on what you're asking for in your app, name and email address. If you're asking for a phone number, you can put that there as well. I might as well check that off here. Okay. We do not take any financial info or health, nothing there. No messages, photos, and videos. We have the ability to take images through the forms, so check off photos. Audio files, nothing. Files and docs, nothing. Calendar, no. Contacts, yes. Even though we don't do this, check it off because it just makes it easier to go through Google. App activity, yes. Interactions and just app interactions, that's it. Web browsing, no. Info and performance, yes. Crash logs and diagnostics, we collect for data, and then device types, hit the yes on that. So now I'm going to hit the next button down here, and everything that's completed will show, one if it's completed. If it's not completed, it will show 0 of 3 or 2 of 3, whatever. So open that up by expanding this link over here, and you'll see you can edit these if you need to, but I'm not going to edit this because we've already done this. I'm going to start the phone number. I'm going to say we collect it. The answer to the second question is no. Users can choose whether they enter the data. It's for app functionality and account management. That's what we use it for. Okay, so that's for the phone numbers, and that applies to all of these, name and email. That's what we use it for. Account thing and account management, and the other one, whatever it was, I just forget now. Account management and app functionality. Okay, so that's for person info. Location, I've already completed that. I'll just quickly go over it, hit the edit button so you can see it's collected. The location services, a precise location is, this answer is yes. Okay, users can choose whether it's collected, it's advertising or marketing. All right, so that's for. Hide that. Photos and videos. We're going to start this over here. It's collected. The answer here is no. Users can choose app functionality, and that's it. Okay, I'll close that off. Contacts, same deal. Start the questions. It's collected. No. Users can choose app functionality, and that's it. Info and performance crash logs. We collect that information. It's not, the answer is no here. Users can. I'm going to put, this is, you can't really turn this off. Is this data required for your app, or can users choose what is collected? I suppose users can choose anything. If they don't want to go in the app, they can just decline. So I'm going to put users can choose. It seems to make the approvals faster. It's just for analytics. That's the only thing that we use it for. Okay, save that. Same thing with the diagnostics. It's just for analytics. It's collected. No, users can choose analytics. Save. Okay, app activity. Interactions. It's collected. No, users can choose. Again, it's for analytics. And save. I think that does everything. You've got to make sure all these things are green. Everything's completed. 1 of 1, 1 of 1, 2 of 2. Make sure all these are completed. Hit next. And come down here. Make sure you have a valid privacy policy in there. Hit submit. Now that will do it. So the next step would be to basically come over to the publishing overview and send it for review. So I'm gonna send this for review, okay? And I'm also gonna update this app because we've released some updates and fixes and some things that we think that will apply to the privacy policy stuff. So I'm gonna do a production and create a new release. Go back into our platform. I've just generated a new build, so I've downloaded that. Come up here and upload this. Takes a few seconds. Taking a little longer. Okay, it's got to go through this process. Uploading the build, the AAB file. Okay, that's done, and I'm going to copy the release notes from a previous build version. Harold's Chicken. This is the release notes. I'm going to save, review, and that's it. So now I'm going to start rollout to production. Hit the rollout again, and sometimes it asks you to submit the app for review. I don't see it here. I'm going to go back to all my apps and check it again. Harold's, it's in review. Okay, so it's just been updated today and it's in review. So follow those steps and the Google rejection should go away after this. Thanks.